How to use the automatic link detector. Step 1. Select Editor in your publication menu. Step 2. Click on the Automatic Link Detection button. Step 3. Choose your options. To use a custom link detection, upload a document with the following columns: match, URL, and label, in this order. Match is the exact word or phrase the editor needs to spot in your publication's text. URL is the link that will be applied to each detected text. Label, optional, is the tooltip displayed when hovering over the link. Step 4. Click on Detect. Step 5. Review the detected links. Step 6. Click on Apply selected links. Last step, click on Save.